Hello photographers, today I want to show you how to avoid glare on glasses in photos. This is a problem I see so many photographers struggling with after they've taken their photos, searching YouTube for how to remove glasses glare in Photoshop and crap like that. That is the absolute wrong approach to take it. You want to avoid the glare, eliminate the glare before you even take the photos. Now, what causes the glare is when the light reflects off of the glasses directly into the lens. When you get that, you get the actual reflection of the light being recorded as your photograph. What we want to do is change the angle of reflection so that when the light hits the glasses, it bounces off in a direction away from the lens. And you can do that by moving one of three things. One of the things that is often recommended you do is have your subject take their glasses and just tilt them a little bit. I used to even recommend this, but this is actually a really bad idea. First of all, it looks stupid. I mean, look at me, right? I look dumb. And also, you often have to crazy tilt the glasses to actually get rid of the glare. And that's just ridiculous. So you're not going to do that. But what you can do is move your light, move your camera, or move your subject. So we'll start with the light. Right now, my light is positioned right here, right next to the camera, and very clearly you can see the glare coming from my glasses. So if I take this light and I just move it off to the side, through the magic of video, you can see that glare disappear. Now, if I turn my head towards the light, that glare comes back. But if I'm looking right into the camera, now my glare is gone. Now, of course, I'm not lit as well as I was lit before. And this is an issue that you have to consider when you're dealing with this. But what you could do is bring another light over onto the other side, which would light me from that side, still giving me nice even lighting, but not giving us the glare. And you don't just have to move the light to the side. For instance, if I have this light up here, if I move it up and elevate the light, I can also get rid of the glare that way. I'm going to tilt it down a little bit. And now in doing so, again, I've changed the lighting on the scene, absolutely, but I've also eliminated the glare from my glasses. So you have to balance these two things out. I have added some glare on my forehead. Not super flattering. Now, as I mentioned, the other thing you could do is move your subject. Say you just have me turn to the right a little bit. Now, you don't get that glare, you still have good light, and everything looks good. Super, super simple thing you can do. The last thing is to move your camera. Change the composition a little bit so that the lens isn't catching that light. Now, I'm not going to move the camera because moving the camera is kind of a pain in the butt for this video, but that shows you how you can very, very easily remove the glare from your glasses. Yes, I understand it does change your lighting, but if you want to eliminate that glare, the only way to do it is to change the angle of reflection so that the light doesn't reflect directly into the lens. And once again, you can do that by moving the light, moving the subject, or moving the camera, or moving all three of them in combination a little bit to get rid of it. If you have any questions about this or anything else about photography, let me know down in the comments. And I've got a question for you while you're down there. What type of lighting do you like to use when you shoot? Do you use LED lights like this one I've got here? Do you use flash, which is what I like to use most of the time? Or are you a quote-unquote natural light shooter? Let me know down in the comments. And then do me a favor and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. And then get out there and take some damn photos. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Flash photography can be intimidating, especially when you first get your flash gear and start wondering, how the heck do I use this stuff to create gorgeous photos like the pros do? To help you with that and to save you years of time, I put together a complete flash photography course to help photographers just like you. All you gotta do is visit this link right here to check it out and then get out there and take some damn photos.